Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial on applied visual design, CSS. We're going to learn how to adjust the tone of a color. So we can use this HSL to use H to select the color, the hue of it, and then we can change the tone of it using the S and L, knowing that S represents the saturation, and saturation represents the amount of gray it is, and lightness is the L, and that represents how much white or black it is, and we use a percentage for that. For this exercise, we want to add a background color to the nav element, so it uses the same cyan hue as what we have here in the header, but the saturation is different at 80% and then 25% like this. So here is the nav. First, we can simply just copy this first. And now we have it, but then we can change this to 80%. And then here is 25%. And we can see how here the tone is different and it differentiates from the header and the nav bar in this. Thank you.